Hi, James and Nicky from Fine & Country, and you've joined us here today at this substantial, beautiful home on one of Leamington's most desirable roads, Northumberland Road. Property also has a detached coach house at the rear and parking for several vehicles.
This beautifully finished property offers open plan living, up to 6 bedrooms, 5 of those all with en-suites. The other currently being used as a study. Follow us and we'll take you for a tour inside. You join us at the rear by the 2-bedroomed coach house with its own off-street parking and private garden.
You've joined us at the end of the tour in the generous south-facing rear garden. There's also a terrace in the main bedroom where you can also enjoy the sun. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like more information, please contact us on the details that follow. Thanks for watching.